Hey everyone, this is Janoy and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to partition a hard drive in Windows 11. Partitioning is a useful way to optimize your storage and organize your data effectively. So, let's get started. To access disk management, simply right-click on the Start button, and from the context menu that appears, select Disk Management. Here in Disk Management, you'll see a list of available disks. Make sure to identify the correct hard drive that you want to partition. Double-checking is crucial to avoid any data loss. To create unallocated space for a new partition, we'll shrink the existing volume. Right-click on the volume you want to shrink and select Shrink. Specify the amount of space you want to shrink. Keep in mind that the size you specify will be in megabytes. Windows will calculate the maximum amount you can shrink based on the available free space. Now specify how the size of the new volume you want to create. Here I'm creating a new volume of 200 GB. After specifying the amount of space you want, click on Shrink. With the unallocated space ready, right-click on it and choose New Simple Volume. This will open the New Simple Volume wizard. In the wizard, you can specify the partition size, file system, such as NTFS, and assign a drive letter to the new partition. Follow the prompts and customize these settings as per your preference. That's it. Here we can see our new partition, New Volume D. Disk management offers more options for managing your partitions. You can extend, delete, or resize partitions according to your needs. Right-click on a partition to access these options. If you require more advanced partitioning features, there are third-party tools available, but for most users, disk management will suffice. That wraps up our tutorial on partitioning a hard drive in Windows 11. Partitioning is a powerful tool to optimize your storage and keep your data organized. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.